welcome to Subhi's Crafart. To start a flower crown making, I have taken a wire.
Twist both edges of the wire.
Make a perfect round shape. I have taken green floral tape. I am going to make some leaves using green tape. Cut the green tape in the shape of leaves. Twist the green flower tape over the wire. Now place the leaf in between and again twist it. Repeat the same for all over the wreath. I am using artificial flower. Artificial flower come with a wire, so place the flower on the wreath and twist it. So that's it, here we made a beautiful flower crown. The same way I made the yellow flower crown. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more art and craft video. Thank you.